Laundry free. What is laundry free, and are you laundry free? Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, over the last several months, we've got bombarded at Savvy Cleaner with questions about how do I get organized. There are a lot of people that are at home now, and they are looking around their home saying, I'm so disorganized, and I'm so overwhelmed, and I don't know where to start. So the question is, are you laundry free? We're taking a little journey and we're going on a 30-day program, and we're going to start creating some new habits. And the first one is removing all of the laundry from all of the rooms of your house. Now, in your home, you have one of two places that laundry belongs. It belongs in the bedroom where you get dressed for the day, or it belongs inside the laundry room where you're washing it, okay? Now, there's an exception. And so we have, for example, towels. This is a hand towel, and it goes where? It goes in one of two places, the kitchen or the bathroom. And why do we say that? Because there's water there, and we use hand towels to dry our hands after we've washed them, right? So what do you do with a hand towel? You throw it over the couch in the living room? No, you hang it up on a hook next to the sink. And if you don't have a hook next to the sink, you can have a little stand on the sink that holds your towel. But there's only one place in a house that a hand towel goes, and that's next to a sink. So if your hand towel is next to the sink, it's in the right place, and you are laundry free. If it's inside your living room, you're not laundry free. Go pick it up, go put it where it goes, right? Okay, so another thing, for bath towels, inside our bathrooms, we can have an over-the-door hook. This is an over-the-door hook that holds 6 different bath towels. And the question is, how many bath towels does a person need? A lot of people will have lots of towels, and they wash lots of towels, but that's not even economical to do. And so if you look at what is a towel is to dry you off once you are clean. So if you're taking a shower and you get out of the shower, you're clean, and you use a dry towel and the towel becomes wet, when you're done, you hang it up and it dries out and you can use it again. So 2 towels per person per week, right? And then when you do your wash, you can wash it and replace the towels. The cool thing is this, you can eliminate a lot of your towel waste, a lot of the recycling of your towels, and when you're done and it comes through the wash, you simply hang it back up on the hook, and I'll leave links in the show notes if you guys want to get some of these, but you just put it back up on the hook, and that's how you process the towel, right? You don't even have to fold them and put them in the linen closet. You just bring them out of the dryer, hang them back up on the hook, and you're good for next time, right? So what we're going to do is go room by room by room, and we're going to pull out all the stuff and put it where it goes. Now I say it goes in the bedroom. In the bedroom, or there's a closet in the bedroom there that we get dressed, right? That's where everything goes. Now I will share with you that there are easy ways to do this. Some people have these beautiful Pinterest closets that have a drawer for socks and a drawer for underwear, and they have all these different things. That's great if you have that. If you don't have that, there are other ways to organize. Now, I'm a very simple person, and one of the ways I love to organize, we've done this in thousands of people's homes. We get these great big clear plastic buckets, and I like the clear because you can see through them. And again, I'll leave links in the show notes if you guys want to get some of these. But this has a lid on top of it so that dust does not get on the clothes, okay? When you take the lid off, what you're going to see here is a great big bin of black socks. So in your home, if you have a couple of adults, you buy the same kind of black socks so that everyone can share, and there's just a pair of socks. When you get done with the wash, you pull out the 2 socks, you fold the lid over of the socks, they go in the bucket. And now every time anyone needs a pair of socks, there they are, you go pick yourself out a pair. If you have children that are all about the same size, they can all use the same socks as well. You can just have a bin for your kids. So what's great about these bins is they're stackable. So if you don't have a shelf, if you don't have closet space, you can stack the bins on top of each other. They're easy to open, and everything is all contained in one spot. It makes doing laundry super easy as well. So you can have one for underwear, one for socks, one for gym clothes, whatever, right? Super, super easy. All right, so at the end of every day, we're going to go through every room of the house, and we're going to make sure that there are no clothes, no laundry that's left on the sofas. It's not left on the floors. It's not left on the beds. It's not left lying around. When you process clothing, it needs either to be folded up, it needs to go in a bin, it needs to be hung up. And so like I said, with the over-the-door racks, it's super easy because you can hang up bathrobes, you can hang up pajamas, you can hang up bath towels. If there are things that you use on a regular basis, when you take it off, hang it up, and you're done, right? And so now you are laundry free. The concept of laundry free comes from the Alcohol Anonymous, Debtors Anonymous, Overeaters Anonymous programs. It's a conscious awareness day by day where you're taking step by step every single day and you're creating a new awareness. And what's interesting about those programs is the very first thing they do is they say your name and then whatever it is that you're trying to overcome. Like, hello, I'm Angela, I'm an overeater. And so when you are aware, you are now taking responsibility of overcoming that. And then after, and this is super cool, after so many days of being clean, that's the term that they use, that's what they say, I'm 30 days clean. I am 20 days clean, or whatever it is. And so what we're going to focus on here is we're going to focus on being laundry free, 30 days laundry free, because we're going clean with our laundry in our homes. So if nothing else, you can still have books and papers and toys and games and everything scattered all over the house, but there will be no laundry scattered amongst that. That's going to be the first step that we take, and it's going to start freeing you up, realizing in every room there should be no laundry here, except in the bedroom for the clothes and in the bathroom for the towels, okay? Super easy to do. I know you can do it. I'm going to leave this video open. I want you to come back and tag in. Say, I'm 12 days laundry free, I'm 13 days laundry free, I'm 14 days laundry free, 15 days laundry free. I want you to keep track of everybody that's in this group that's doing this challenge with us. And it's going to make a difference in your life because it's going to help create a set of new habits that will then follow you for the rest of your life. And your family will pick up on it as well, and they will start to follow the same procedure. It will make your house a lot cleaner, and it will lighten the load of having too much clutter and too much stuff. All right, I hope this helps a little bit. If it does, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.